I tell a nigga don't dick ride, don't dick ride, leave it to the double stick.
The booties are out here. Boom! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, straight out of Jamaica. Yo, now this is my first ever 6IX9INE reaction. This song is called Gooba. Gooba. I don't know what's it called, but I just know that I was scrolling through YouTube and I boom, I saw, wait a minute, 6IX9INE uploaded, and I saw 45 minutes ago. You know what? I said, okay, I gotta check this out real quick. So here I am with my reaction. Y'all don't know me yet, but you finna know me right now, cause we finna go crazy. We saw the girls in the thumbnail and y'all know we look for the girls. So let's drop y'all comments down in the comment section and let's go crazy, alright? Let's see what's popping. We got the shark right here with the colorful teeth.
I tell a nigga don't dick ride, don't dick ride, leave it to the double stick.
The booties are out here. Damn, these girls are some fake ass booty. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Let me calm myself down. Alright guys, wait a minute. Let's go. Oh my gosh, this video can't be played normally, man. This video gotta be played in slow motion. This gotta be played in that slow motion, man. I was like, let's see if this first. I was talking about this with some of my friends. You're like, is 6IX9INE's first video or anything he put out, his project, gonna go viral? But this shit got them girls in it. It's definitely go. Look at this shit. Welcome back to Kashi. Welcome back. Let me get this video back in the normal speed, y'all. Let me get this video back in the normal speed. Yo. Let's go. Let's go.
I slide in the belly trucker, the rave trucker, your bestie is a dick sucker.
This dude that said your bestie is a dick sucker. I ain't even listen to the song, y'all. If y'all don't know me, I really. You see when there's girls in the video, that's all I'm gonna be focusing on. But, woo, sir. Let me calm it down. These girls just attack me.
Big double, assalamu you big hater. You nothing but a hater. Cloud chaser.
Oh no. Wait a minute. Let me see what's going on. Let me go back in the song. Let me go back and keep the vibes calm. Okay, let's go now.
He's a dick sucker, a big double. Assalamu you big hater.
So assalamu you big hater. Your bestie is a dick sucker. See, your bestie is a dick sucker. Assalamu your dick. Oh, I need to get the lyrics for this shit. Anyways, I'm gonna listen to the lyrics after listening to the song and watch the video. But let's go. Let's continue to see what's popping for this.
Nothing but a hater. Cloud chaser. Now we catch him at the chicken spot. Up a couple chops. Pop that nigga with 100 shots.
This is not even a twerking song. Oh, hell no. I see what he did. He just distracted the crowd while he's spitting all shit with the ladies twerking. I just now seen this shit. But this twerking got me going crazy. I'm really not going to listen to the song. I'm sorry. I'm just going to be looking at the girls right now. Maybe I do a second reaction. But, let's go.
They didn't make that nigga diddy bop. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. He thought we was going knuckle up. Bitch, I don't box. And these niggas always
Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. I'm trying not to, and I'm trying to at the same time. Listen to the audio, but damn, it's hard, man, with all these beautiful ladies right now. That's all I came here for. The ladies. So let's see the ladies.
when you see me, what you talking about? Fuck you talking about? Niggas always wanna chase clout. Bitch, I ain't clout.
That one right there with that ass. Oh, I ain't even mentioning you. This one right here, where she at? Girl, bring your ass back. This girl right here, you in trouble, mofo. Your ass in trouble. I don't know why the hell you be trying to look like Nicki Minaj. Your ass in trouble. You think it's in trouble? You think it's in trouble? Your ass is in trouble. God damn. You know what? Let me go back into the song, man. I ain't even finna.
You dumb, stupid, or dumb, huh? Play me like a dummy, like bitch. Are you dumb? Are you dumb, stupid, or dumb?
Are you dumb, stupid, or no? This shit starting to make no sense. Now this shit is starting to make no fucking sense. Let me go back and see what I'm missing. Listen to the song, Tyreek. Listen to the song, bruh.
Like bitch, are you dumb? Are you dumb, stupid, or dumb, huh? Yeah, you got some money, but you still fucking ugly.
Yeah, you got some money, but you're still fucking ugly. Stupid. You're still using that stupid saying. Whew, I need to contain myself. I've never seen this much ass in a Jamaican video. You know me, normally I do mostly Jamaican reactions, y'all. I'm trying to branch out. And I saw this, I'm going to take this opportunity right here, right now. Okay? Oh. And I can't even focus. I'm not even focused right now. This is not how I react to shit. I'm not even focused. I'm all over the place, but at the same time, you gotta
Listen, when I talk, you better listen. We can make them dance bachata, slide over, do the cha-cha, papa, make nigga go.
This dude talking all shit. Why am I going to listen to the audio when he's talking all bullshit? Tacha. Let me just look at the girls.
Papa, make nigga go adios, dímelo, mami, freca, you nasty, flame up.
I need me some of these baddies, man. I don't know why I'm in America and I ain't seen these girls. I'm here in America, y'all, and I'm not seeing these girls nowhere. These girls with all this ass, I'm not seeing none of nowhere. This doesn't matter where I'm at in America, where I go. I went to LA last month. I ain't seen none of these motherfuckers. Well, 2 months ago. I didn't see none of these motherfuckers. Right? Where they at? Where they hiding? I don't know. They should be in LA. I didn't see them. God damn.
Light it. They see me and get excited. 2-step, spin around, so fly, pilot. They say, been hot, way before coronavirus. Nigga.
Hey man, I can't just wait on ZSMB reaction. I can't just wait on this shit. Cause I'm really not focused. I think I'm going to do a second reaction to this shit, but I'm still going to post it. I don't regardless. Oh my gosh. Yeah, let's if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Let me reach 10,000 subscribers. That's the goal for the year. 10K subscribers is what I'm going for. But right now, I can't even stay focused because, man, this girl's distracted. Look at this one looking at me. Look at her. Ooh, Tyrekevlogs. Oh, what's up, shawty? What's up, baby?
Who did that, nigga? Who did what, nigga? That's my shit. Don't bite it. Nigga, don't dick ride, don't blink ride. Leave it to the double thick thighs. Twin sit.
It's like it's so curvaceous. It looks ugly at the same time. You understand me? She got so much ass, it looks ugly. That's what it is right there. Look at that.
Drop it down and wobble up. Mommy boot it up. She get down and gobble up. Cause my money up.
She got 6IX9INE tatted on her? She got 6IX9INE tatted on her. Ain't that some shit? Ain't that some shit? Ooh. Go back into the video, bruh. Ooh. These girls are at a whole paint party. This is why we miss 6IX9INE videos though. If it's not with the niggas and shit in it, it's still lit with the girls. It's still lit. It doesn't matter, yo. These videos are just lit differently, man. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Ass. That's all I'm seeing, mofos. That's all I'm looking at. All the ass. These girls are bouncing their ass in a circle. Hey, that's all these motherfucking girls are doing, man. That is all I'm fucking seeing. Who the fuck is that? Let's go.
Mad, I'm back. Big mad, he's mad.
Oh, he just said he's back, motherfuckers. Welcome back, 6IX9INE. He just said he's back. I just realized that. Let me see.
I'm back. Big mad, he's mad. She's mad. Big sad. Don't care.
Damn, everyone's mad. He's basically saying that all these motherfuckers are mad because he's back. That's what he's basically saying. He mad, she mad. Oh my gosh, man. I'm just here for the girls though.
Bitch, I'm laughing cause you big mad.
Aww, fuck. I'm gonna get all backlash for this video. I think I'll get all backlash for just for reacting to it. Let me see how it turns out. I really don't care. I'm just posting it regardless. I really don't care. I want to see what happens when I post this video. I'm just realizing. You see, I told you guys, he distracted the crowd with the females twerking while what he's actually saying in the song means something whole different. I'm just realizing that shit. That's crazy.
Face cry, baby, bitch, you big sad. Niggas tweeting about me, got me 20, bitch, you big sad.
This nigga just showed us his Osiris shit. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm finna end this video right here, y'all. I don't think I wanna react to the rest of this video, man. I don't think so. I really don't think I wanna. Okay, shorties. Yeah, they're bad. I came here for the girls. The video is finished. I'll catch y'all in another video. Maybe I'll do a second reaction to this video where I'm actually more focused on the video. Alright, y'all. Peace out. Big up on the bumbuckler itself.